Namaste, I'm Hema from HindiOnlineClass.com. How to say I know, I don't know in Hindi. This was the topic we spoke about in our earlier video. As I said, the to know verb, we will see the to know verb in two different videos. So in this second video, we will see the to know verb in a different meaning. So in this video, let's see the to know verb in the meaning of to know how to do something. Which means like we know some actions, we know how to do it. Like I know to swim, I know to speak in Spanish. So you know the skill. So this skill to know how to do something is used or is expressed with the verb to know. And this to know verb is expressed in two ways in Hindi, with the janna verb and with another verb, ana. Right? Ana. Ana is a verb which you might know is a very basic word which we learned in our earlier classes, in our very elementary classes. Ana means to come. But Hindi also has another meaning for ana, that is to know how to do something. So let's see how to use this ana in this sense. So let's see some examples with the use of to know in the meaning of how to do something. Example 1. I know Hindi. So this can be said in two ways, with the janna verb and with the verb ana. With the janna verb, the sentence would be मैं हिंदी जानती हूँ. मैं हिंदी जानती हूँ. So here the जानती हूँ agrees with the subject as usual. But when I use the same sentence with the use of ana verb, I would say मुझको हिंदी आती है. मुझको हिंदी आती है. So the आती है, when I use in the meaning of to know how to do something, it takes ko postposition with the subject. So since the subject is taking ko, the आती है, which is the verb, will not agree with the subject, but it will agree with the object, which is Hindi. And Hindi, being a language, is feminine in Hindi. Or Hindi being a language is feminine noun. So even if the same sentence is said by a man, he would say the same sentence. मुझको हिंदी आती है. So you would see that the आती है is not agreeing with the subject who's a man, but it agrees with the object which is Hindi, being a feminine noun. Let's see another example for more clarity. Example 2. He knows swimming, or he knows to swim. So the sentence can be expressed in two ways, with janna and with the verb ana. So with janna, the sentence would be वह तैरना जानता है. वह तैरना जानता है. The same sentence, when it is expressed with the usage of the verb ana, it would be उसको तैरना आता है. उसको तैरना आता है. So you notice this, that the subject is taking ko, since the verb ana is in the meaning of to know how to do something. And it's usko तैरना आता है. The आता है is not agreeing with the subject. It agrees with तैरना, which is just a verb. So the आता है remains in masculine singular. Let's see another example. Example 3. Sita knows how to cook. Or we wouldn't say that in English. We would say Sita knows to cook. So this can be expressed in two different ways, with janna and ana. With janna, the sentence would be Sita खाना पकाना जानती है. सीता खाना पकाना जानती है. Now with the usage of ana verb, it would be सीता को खाना पकाना आता है. सीता को खाना पकाना आता है. Again, the आता है is not agreeing with Sita because the subject is followed by a ko. So it agrees with the object which is khana pakana. So it stays in masculine singular. So you can see that with the usage of the to know verb in the meaning of to know how to do something, we use two kinds of verbs, which is janna and ana. So ana, in this video you would have noticed that ana has another meaning apart from the meaning of to come. So ana is not only used in the meaning of to come, it is also used in the meaning to know how to do something, but the only exception is when we use it in the meaning of to know how to do something, ana verb, in that sentence, the ana verb, the subject takes ko and the ana verb will agree with the object. So I hope this video has been helpful to you in understanding the verb to know and how to use the to know verbs in different contexts in Hindi. So thanks for watching this video and until next time, namaste.